Many homes in our service territory have one of these. This rounded piece of pipe that's attached to your home is called a WeatherHead. It's a service drop entry point. The high winds and fallen trees that sometimes accompany severe storms can cause damage to your home and to your WeatherHead, conduit, and meter base, the devices and equipment that help bring electricity to your home. To tell us more about WeatherHeads and the equipment associated with them, we have with us today Royce Shannon, manager of SCE&G's Metro Crew Quarters. Hi, Royce.
Hi, Amy.
So tell us about the equipment that we see here today.
Well, first of all, we have the service wire, which brings the electricity from our pole to the customer's home. Then we have the WeatherHead, the mast conduit, and the meter base that delivers the electricity into the home.
And tell me about when we have a storm and we might experience high wind or maybe rain and it damages any of the equipment.
Right, so occasionally we'll have a limb or a tree that'll fall on that service wire, and sometimes that tears the WeatherHead, that mast conduit, and even the meter base away from the home.
So what should customers do when that happens?
Well, the process is usually going to be to call us first so we can come assess the situation. Then you might want to call your electrician as well so that they can come out and make the repairs necessary. First, SCE&G is going to have to disconnect the service wire from the WeatherHead so that the electrician can do their repairs.
And tell me about what the utility's responsibility is as opposed to the customer's.
Sure. The utility's responsibility is the service wire from the pole to the home, the meter that is in the meter base, and the customer's responsibility is the WeatherHead, that mast conduit, and the meter base itself.
And how much does the process normally cost, the repair?
Well, that can vary greatly depending on the electrician and depending on the amount of damage. Sometimes the damage is not very significant, but we can't fix the problem when it's one of those pieces of equipment that belong to the customer.
All right, is there anything else that you'd like to add about the equipment that we see today?
Sure. First of all, from a safety standpoint, customers should never approach a down power line. They should always call SCE&G first to come look at it and see what the situation is. Secondly, some of the repairs that we talked about are going to require an inspection by the local inspection authority.
That's great information. Thanks so much, Royce.
You're welcome, Amy.
So please remember, if you find that your WeatherHead or meter base are damaged after a storm, you should call a licensed electrician to repair them. Once both of the repairs are made, SCE&G will quickly restore your power.